YouTuber キズナアイです。
初めてだって関係ない好きにしちゃって It's alright 人生なんて無知と甘いバッタなんてダメ
Seaweed is online. Hey half half. I got the nerd's phone face rolling on the floor laughing. Todoroki half half is online. There's nothing funny about that unamused face. Whatever red face with censoring symbols over mouth. Bakugo anger puff is online. Hey Kachan, can I have my phone back? Sad pensive face. I'll keep it for a big face with tears of joy. The nerd has your phone too, Yano.
Bitch, are you dumb? Pardon me? Are you dumb?
Mina Heart Sparkle T is online. Hey Bakugo relieved face. Relieved face. Relieved face. Why don't you go through Deka's TikToks? Mina dizzy face with discomfort. Fine huffing with anger face. You're the one who took the phone. We have to do something with it smirking face. Kirishima Strongman is online. What's up guys? Bakugo and Deku swapped phones unamused face. And they're gonna expose each other's videos. Heart sparkle smirking face. I want nothing to do with this. I'm leaving waving hand. Bye waving hand. Saya relieved face. Todoroki half half is online. Okay, let's get down to business. Nail polish being applied to fingers with medium skin tone. Smirking face. Let's see what Deka's been up to. Relieved face. Deku Seaweed sent a video. Deku can dance huffing with anger face. Sweaty red face with tongue out. He learned from the best smirking face. Huffing with anger face. Sweaty red face with tongue out. Huffing with anger face. Lol relieved face. Send the next one Bakugo. Kachan, please stop sending my videos disappointed face. It's okay Deku. We can watch Bakugo's after we watch yours face rolling on the floor laughing. Nail polish being applied to fingers with medium skin tone. Okay fine. Just no private videos. I'm on private right now face with hand over mouth and rosy cheeks. Video.
Little bitch really fuck it up. On a handstand doing tricks, fuck it up. If you wait from that game, you get hit with these slugs. 8 points stand, little bitch fuck it up on that gang.
V, did you even get these red face with censoring symbols over mouth? I have my ways. Face without mouth. So that's why you didn't want us to look in her private's face rolling on the floor laughing. Without permission. TSK. Not manly Deku expressionless face. It's fine guys. Just send the rest. Bakugo's smiling face with smiling eyes and hugging hands. Deku Seaweed sent a video. Bakugo's blushing face rolling on the floor laughing. Kachan, are you okay? Straight-mouthed face with one raised eyebrow. He's fine. Deku face with tears of joy. Next one Bakugo. Deku Seaweed sent a video. Last one guys huffing with anger face. Very nice Deku smiling face with hearts. Thanks face without mouth. Great job. I return her manliness beaming face with smiling eyes. Thanks guys face with big pleading eyes. Hehe. I return Bakugo smiling face with sunglasses. Don't you dare Deku red face with censoring symbols over mouth. But how come you can do it, and I can't? Because you're an extra. I'm sending the videos. Mina beaming face with smiling eyes. Teehee face with tears of joy. Bakugo anger puff sent a video.
I beat the thing up, now stop, and let your homeboy hit it. Beat it.
Dances face with tears of joy. Face rolling on the floor laughing. Is actually not bad. Deku huffing with anger face. Red face with censoring symbols over mouth. Next, smiling face with hearts. Bakugo Anger Puff sent a video. With tongue out. Bakudeku sweaty red face with tongue out. Face with tears of joy. Red face with censoring symbols over mouth. Red face with censoring symbols over mouth. Red face with censoring symbols over mouth. Not manly Bakugo unamused face. Bakugo sweaty red face with tongue out. I need Muori sweaty red face with tongue out. Bakugo Anger Puff sent a video.
Forward march, and here we go! Members of the agency.
Bakugo Katsuki!
Voicey sweaty red face with tongue out. Sweaty red face with tongue out. What's wrong with my voice? Sweaty red face with tongue out. Sweaty red face with tongue out. Whatever extras unamused face. I can't take this anymore. Sweaty red face with tongue out. Dizzy face with discomfort. Sweaty red face with tongue out. Is she okay? Face with hand over mouth and rosy cheeks. She's gonna be fine. Relieved face. Welp, that was the law. Angry Azawa. What are you guys doing? Go to sleep. We have 5 exams tomorrow. Now.
Go to sleep!
Face with rolling eyes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the Bakudeku phone swap. Make sure to click the subscribe button, leave a like, and comment future video ideas. Bye. Smiling face with hearts. Smiling face with hearts. Smiling face with hearts.